morning everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Miss Claire Vlog here. Umagang kaganda to everyone. Happy Tuesday to all. Today, I don't know what I'm going to do. So, samahan niyo na lang ako. Yes, we're here at the shipyard. Pakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami dati nag-fishing. So, tingnan natin kung may nakukuha pa rin silang fish dito. My YouTube channel, Miss Claire Vlog here. Good morning everyone. Today, we are here in Pelican Point. Dito po kami dati nag-fishing. So, minsan may nakukuha kami dito mga mackerel. So, pakinggan ko sa inyo kung meron nag-fishing. So, if there is, I will try to go fishing there soon. Alright, come and join me. Beautiful day today, 23 degrees Celsius. As you can see, there's a pond. And that's where the fishing point is. That's where we're heading. Alright, let's go. So wherever you go here, there's always a mini park for kids. And then as you can see, diyan kami dati nag-fishing. So let's have a look kung merong isda. Tingnan ko lang kung may isda. Tagal ko na rin hindi nakapag-fishing dito. Siguro mga 3 years ago o 4 years ago na. Mackerel yung kinakatch namin dito. Masarap yung mackerel. Anong ginagawa namin? Ginagataan namin yung mackerel. And nilalagyan ng suka. Ginagawa namin pinangat. Siya. Look at the rock formation, so beautiful. That's just alongside of the jetty. Ayan, dyan lang siya. This is 30 minutes drive away from home. So accessible. Mamaya lang uwi na rin kami. Tapos continue tayong mag-vlog. Kauuwi lang natin ngayon galing sa Central Market and then earlier this morning, as you can see in my earlier vlog, that I went to Port Outer Harbor and nag-walk around tayo dun sa may malapit sa beach kung saan kami nag-fishing kanina. So it's for us now. Tingnan ko kung magbubunga pa rin siya kahit natanggalan na siya ng dahon. Wala nga lang siyang roots, pero I'll try. Why not? If this will give me a bit of a leaves, save me with a bit of a spinach, I will try. Hoping it will grow. What do you think, mga kanetizen? If I will plant this, let's see what's the outcome. Alright. I'll try. Ayan. Maglalaga lang ako. So, I will use tomato. And this is the spinach. So, yan ang gagamitin ko. Kinat ko na siya. So, dyan ko na lang. And just the onion. And that's about it. So, I'll just wait till the meat is already soft. Kalalagat ko lang. Kasi my my plan earlier is salad lang ang gagawin ko. Tapos, tocino. But since I still got time, I still got an hour until I pick up my son. So, I'll just cook the soup for now.
Ice cream tayo mga kapatid. Ayan, pauwi na kami.
Just finished 2 kilometers run.
After long walk, ice cream tayo. Palamig. At St. Louis. Ayan, churros pa.
I don't know if it's
Ice cream. And can I have a look at the hot chocolate? Hot chocolate. Cheers. Yummy, gooey chocolate.
Ayan, ito pala yung binili ko sa T3 Plaza because it's Tio's christening and first birthday this coming Saturday. So, I said this is the time that I'm going to buy the present then because I don't have time on Saturday. Yeah, I bought him pants. Ayan. Medyo malaki na siya. Jan can fold this. Mas matipid kung you will buy them a bigger size rather than a small one. And then you can't adjust anymore the size. And I bought him, let's have a look what it is, a puffer jacket. Ayan, oh cute diba? Partner na siya ng kanyang pants. Nice color, beige and blue. So cute. And with a combination of jacket. Here you go, nice gray top matching with the jacket and the pants. Here it is. How cute is this? Aww, so cute to have another little one. Ayan. Ngayon, ako naman magpa-plancha na. So, alright everyone. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to share, netizen. God bless. Bye.